So we are down in Savannah, Georgia for my wife's 40th birthday, and I'm pretty convinced that half of the Land Cruisers ever built are in Georgia, including this beautiful Dookie Brown FJ60.
He can talk all the trash he wants, but this one has way less rust than what we have at home. Everything seems to be intact. There's no chunks of real well missing from the rust. And it looks pretty spotless to me. Maybe it is Dookie Brown, but I'd drive this one any day over what we have at home in the driveway.
So that's her opinions. She's right on some of that stuff. Mine has some rust. Anyway, I'll do a little slideshow of what I've seen so far. Again, I've seen a ton of FJ Cruisers, 100 series, but I've taken a handful of pictures, and like I said, there's just so many down here. It's just really kind of shocking to see this many in one place. So anyway, thanks guys, I'll take care.